The next day, Diesel was working at the docks. "When the Fat Controller sees how good I am," he bragged to the trucks, "he'll get rid of steam engines once and for all." This gave the Troublesome trucks an idea. As Diesel shunted them together, they started to sing, "Is that all you can haul? Henry's loads are longer. Is that all you can haul? Henry must be stronger." Diesel was cross. He was sure that he was stronger than Henry. "I'll push you all at the same time," he said. The trucks giggled. "Push us all, that's the longest. Push us all, you'll be the strongest." "That's me," said Diesel, "the world's strongest engine." And Diesel shunted 5 trucks together. Then 10. Then 15. Soon he had an enormous line of 20 trucks. "What's Diesel doing?" cried Percy. "He thinks he's the world's strongest engine," replied Thomas. Diesel didn't know the shunters had set the brakes on the trucks. The Troublesome trucks knew, but encouraged Diesel to push anyway. "Push, push, push!" Diesel pushed, and he pushed, and he pushed. But the trucks didn't move, so Diesel decided to pull the trucks instead. Heave ho, you can pull, but we won't go," sang the trucks. This made Diesel very cross. He pulled, and he pulled, and he pulled, and he pulled. Help! "Grease and oil," Diesel sulked, as the trucks laughed and laughed.